To buy a house is one thing, but to buy a house with 20 windows and no blinds, 0 out of 10 do not recommend. We done been in this house for 6 months now, and for 6 months we done had these paper blinds up. Today is the day that they come down. Besides the fact that the blinds cost just as much as the daggone house, I am very indecisive, so it took me this long to actually realize that I wanted blinds upstairs. Anyway, I made a little field trip to Home Depot to teach myself about blinds, so I'm going to teach y'all about them too. Before even shopping for the blinds, make sure you measure all your windows separately. For example, this window in the hall was actually 3 inches less than the windows in the main bedroom. When you measure, make sure you measure the width and the length of each window. And measure from the inside, unless you want your blinds on the outside. Then you would measure the width at the top of the window. Installation actually wasn't terrible. All you need is power tools and a screwdriver and you're good to go. The type of blinds that we chose were the cordless Fox wood ones. They do have another option, which is vinyl. Didn't go with those because that's not my type of vibe. But these actually came out really, really great. You can move them up and down as you please. And this looks like a brand new hallway.